Today we're going to show you how to find a paint coat on a Toyota.
Oh, it broke. It really did break. That's not good. Yeah, hold on.
First thing you don't do is use a 1/4 inch. You use a 1/2 inch for the job. I see the paint coat coming. And that is how you do not find a paint coat on a Toyota. Now we're really going to show you where the paint coat is located on Toyotas. It's going to be on your, you open the door, it's going to be on the jamb. Locate the identification tag. It will be in this area here. Our mission at Ready Car Parts is to help do-it-yourselfers and car enthusiasts get the job done by making auto body simple, professional, and affordable.